Dates Nectar, Nature's Liquid Gold, takes viewers on a sweet journey into the world of dates fruit juice, exploring its rich flavors, nutritional benefits, cultural significance, and the delightful wellness benefits that make it a cherished beverage in various traditions. The documentary begins by immersing viewers in the symphony of date palms, showcasing the landscapes where these sweet fruits flourish. Discover the historical and cultural significance of dates and their transformation into liquid gold. Dive into the nutrient-rich elixir that is dates fruit juice. Nutritionists discuss the health benefits of consuming dates juice, emphasizing its natural sugars, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Explore how dates juice contributes to energy, digestion, and overall well-being. Take a visual tour through date palm orchards during the harvest season, capturing the sweetness of the ripe fruits. Farmers share insights into sustainable farming practices, highlighting the care required for date palms. Witness the culinary alchemy of dates fruit juice in the kitchen. Chefs and mixologists demonstrate creative ways to incorporate dates juice into a variety of beverages, from refreshing mocktails to decadent desserts, showcasing the rich, caramel-like sweetness of the elixir. Embark on a global fusion of dates-infused beverages. Explore how dates juice seamlessly integrates into various beverage traditions, from Middle Eastern date smoothies to North African date-infused teas, creating a delightful tapestry of flavors. Immerse yourself in the festive atmosphere of dates festivals around the world. From juice tastings to culinary competitions, witness the joyous occasions that celebrate the harvest season and the liquid gold wonders of dates fruit juice. Delve into the sweet and nutritious indulgence of dates fruit juice. Experts discuss how the natural sugars, fiber, and nutrients in dates contribute to sustained energy, digestive health, and overall nutritional wellness. Dates Nectar, Nature's Liquid Gold, explores sustainable farming practices in date cultivation. Experts discuss the importance of responsible agriculture in minimizing environmental impact, conserving water, and ensuring the long-term sustainability of date palm orchards. Dates Nectar, Nature's Liquid Gold, concludes by celebrating the liquid gold sweetness and nutritional richness of dates fruit juice. This documentary invites viewers to savor the liquid gold, recognize the health benefits, and embrace the culinary and cultural significance of this heavenly elixir.